All right, we're gonna do the Truly Peach Tea Hard Seltzer, 5%. So yeah, these are good company, really. So
That lemon one was outstanding.
got our coats on.
Yeah. See what this peach one's all about.
Oh yeah, that's peachy.
Oof, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's
Dang.
fucking real good smell.
Wow. Kind of really, yeah, fresh, peachy.
It's like you just cut into it.
But again, you get that tea
Oh
sort
yeah,
of
for sure.
aspect to it in the nose.
Smells fucking delicious.
It's way less tea-like than the lemon one. It's very peach up front.
Yeah, and it kind of fades.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, that's where you get the tea.
Yeah.
It lingers.
Yep, a little tea in the finish, yeah. I mean, it still tastes like a nice tea. Boy, it's a lot of peach.
Oh yeah.
If you're a peach fan or peach tea, you know, you would love it. That's for sure. I mean, it's not seltzer-like either. It has a little bit of almost a sweetness in the flavor, and it lingers a lot more too. It's not dry. It's like those lemonades they have.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. Carbonation's kind of left in the dark too. It's not so,
It's like that other one, just a touch.
Yeah, just enough.
Yeah, very tea-like, less seltzer-like. It's really, damn, it's refreshing.
Yeah, it is.
Nice to start the morning off too.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Yeah, this is what you want with your pancakes and your waffles.
Oh,
and
yeah.
stuff right here. One of these.
Yeah, any sort of fruit salads. Like,
yeah, peach chicken or something too.
Oh
you know,
yeah.
like a
Orange chicken.
orange chicken would be good. Yeah, some apricot preserves or something in there. Yeah, this would be. You'd be good with some fish or smoked salmon or something. Might be kind of interesting with this peach, with some garlic and some pepper and.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have to be just sweet, fruity stuff.
No,
you know?
true. Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely compliment some minor spices.
Yeah, yeah. Barbecue.
Oh, yeah. Some garlic stuff. Garlic fries would be good.
Interestingly enough, be killer poured in with some shrimp, you know, saute.
Yeah. Scallops and shit.
Sweet crab, yeah. Or just, you know, peach tea in a glass and
Yep.
a little sprig of mint or something. Kicking back.
And ice cube.
Southern style, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All these teas so far are very good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Flavor's incredible.
Truly
I don't
good.
even, I'm not even the hugest peach fan, really. I mean, I
Me
wouldn't
neither.
eat a peach, you know, I just wouldn't.
Yeah. Nope.
But
Not my thing.
it's a great ingredient to cook with.
Yeah.
You know?
And it's very good flavor for tea, so.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm definitely not opposed to it in here at all.
Yeah.
The tea aspect is minor, like subdued until the very end.
Right.
God, it's so like fragrant.
Yeah, a lot of these have a lot of good aroma, and then like the flavor isn't as strong as what you're smelling.
Yeah,
so
no, this one
it's kinda
backs it
nice.
up.
Yep.
Almost
Yeah.
a little peach earthiness in there, just a touch. I mean, I know a lot of this is probably just, you know, some extract and based things like that, or I'm postulating, but it's good. Like it's well done.
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Me too.
Absolutely.
I love iced tea. God. Right on.